Okay, tubes, this is going to be my long-awaited new wood cutting machine video. My problem is that everyone has wood chunkers, the one that spins around in a circle and you feed the branch in, it chunks it up. I'm not happy with the type of wood that makes. It makes kind of like a lot of fines and things. And you can't feed rounds. I mean, some of these rounds are pretty big. Okay, that's a good, 14 inches across. So what I've come up with is everyone knows how to chop a wood round up into like kindling, like, you know, sticks, one by Smith. Look here, this is a gasifier too. Bad. Anyway, everyone knows how to cut up kindling, you know, like that. That's not hard to do. Another thing I was frustrated with is cutting wood blocks one at a time. I mean, I got all that down there too that I need to cut up. And so I came up with this idea. Here's the arrangement. I'll back up so you can get the whole thing in the shot here. That's the, over here on the right is the bottom end of my old V6 steam engine with PMA, which was actually a motor, so I'm actually using it as a motor now. So what we've done is we've hooked it to this nice eccentric crank coming up to a nice branch saw that was actually pretty cheap, and it's actually pretty effective. And we have automatic shut off right here for when it gets to the end of the line. I've foregone a lot of the setup for you, so let's turn it on. Now I like to start at 10 amps at first because it starts it off slow, and then you can tell if the machine's going to bind or not. Oh, sounds like it might want to bind. See that? Ah, there it goes. See? Once it starts to cut off the pieces, it goes away. But see, look at this. Turn up the power. And this thing is actually pretty freaking effective. I'm pretty happy with this. It may not be the fastest machine in the world. Now watch, it's going to bind up and jam for the video or something. Watch. Oh, there it goes. Okay. But I don't have to have my hands in there. I don't have to worry about my fingers getting cut off. Shuts off by itself. And it makes many blocks at one time. Oops, there goes one. About 70% of them go down the chute. I can't really fix that. Ooh. See, let's get a shot of the eccentric. Flywheel. And this is step back. See the whole thing go around. Kind of fun to watch too. You don't have to like do much. Getting down to the end here. Pulse modulation stopping. Look at that. Now all you would simply do is disconnect the battery charger, obviously, because this is actually a 12-volt motor. Lift the saw up. Undo your ratchet strap, scoot everything forward, strap it back down, and start the saw back over again. That's the most efficient system I've come up with so far. I used CNC machining sponge system for a long time. That was very efficient with cutting it into fingers and then chopping it grain-wise. But I just wasn't happy with cutting one block at a time. I wanted to be able to cut many blocks at one time. But what this will also do is I can actually put a whole lot in there and make cakes and then chop it up with an axe to make little blocks. But I mean, look, that took me what? Well, I can look on the counter here. What? It says 26 seconds? No, that's something else. Anyway, that didn't take very long. And it shuts off by itself. You don't have to have your fingers in there. Cutting those little things out of the round is a piece of cake. If you've got a maul, it just cuts them right out. You don't have to worry about anything. And so, yeah, that's it, guys. There'll be some more videos on some other things I'd like to show you later, but there's my wood cutter, and I'm happy because I can actually run it off a car battery if I want to. So, thank you.